In yesterday's shloka, we saw the question of Dhritarashtra to Sanjaya. Dharmakshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsava mamakah pandavaschaiva kimakurvata Sanjaya. So yesterday we saw this shloka, and as I said, the Gita is entire description of what Krishna and Arjuna are conversing on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, being narrated by Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra. But Sanjaya, at the last shloka of the Gita, 18.78, he summarizes the answer to the question of Dhritarashtra. So he'll recite the shloka 3 times. Very, very beautiful and important shloka. This shloka is titled Victory on Krishna's Side. So all of you who want to be victorious in life, for all of us, this is a very important shloka to remember. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhuter, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhuter, Dhruvaniter Matir Mama. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhuter, Dhruvaniter Matir Mama. So what does Sanjaya say? Sanjaya says, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna. Wherever there is Krishna, who is none other than Yogeshwara, he is the master of all mystics. Wherever there is Krishna, the master of all mystics. And wherever there is Partha, who is Dhanurdhara, wherever there is Arjuna, or a devotee of Krishna like Arjuna, who is supremely competent, a man of character and a man of devotion. So wherever there is a devotee like Arjuna, there will also certainly be. There are 4 things assured in this shloka. There will certainly be opulence, victory, extraordinary power, and morality. That is my opinion. So here you can see Tatra Shri. Shri is goddess of fortune or opulence. Vijayo. Vijayo is victory. Bhutir. Dhruva. Dhruva means extraordinary power. And Niti. Niti means morality. So all these 4 things will coexist wherever there is Krishna and wherever there are Krishna's devotees. So this shloka is a call for action, because Gita ends with the call for action that let us all become devotees of Krishna. Because of if we are devotees of Krishna, then because we have Krishna on our side, so automatically all these things will follow. There is a beautiful pastime related to this in the Mahabharata, where Krishna and Arjuna where Arjuna and Duryodhana both go to Krishna to ask to fight on their side before the battle of Kurukshetra began. Krishna said that because I am a relative of both of you, I cannot be one-sided. So I'll do one thing. I'll divide my energy into 2 parts. On one side, my entire Narayani Sena with lakhs and millions and crores of soldiers, all of them very, very powerful, with chariots, with horses, with weapons, everything. The entire Narayani Sena on one side. And on the other side, I will be there, but I will not lift any weapon. I'll not be a fighter, but I'll just be present in the battle. As soon as Duryodhana heard this, he thought, my God, somehow I need to get the Narayani Sena. If I get Krishna, who is not going to fight, what is the use? But Krishna interestingly asked Arjuna first. Arjuna, you select. And Duryodhana was in great anxiety, because if Arjuna selects the Narayani Sena, then what? And as soon as Arjuna was asked to select, Arjuna immediately said, Krishna, even if the entire world Sena is there, not just your Narayani Sena, but I will simply select you. I want you on my side, even if you don't lift any weapon. And Duryodhana thought maybe Arjuna is mad. He doesn't know mathematics. He doesn't know equations. He doesn't know inequalities. He is a fool number one because he has selected Krishna without any weapons, without any fighting on his side, and he has given up the Narayani Sena. But Duryodhana had to show to Krishna that he also wanted him on his side. So Duryodhana said to Krishna that, my dear Lord, now my dear Krishna, what can I do? I'm left with nothing else other than Narayani Sena. So I'll just walk away with this. And he starts walking away with that. And as soon as he walked away, then Krishna asked Arjuna, Arjuna, don't you know mathematics, inequalities? What happened to you? Why did you select me? I'm not going to fight also. I had given the entire Narayani Sena on the other side. And immediately Arjuna said, don't you think that I have studied scriptures? The scriptures say, Jayastu Pandu Putranam Yena Pakshe Janardhana. Wherever there is Krishna, for sure there will be victory. For all of us also in our life, we may be put across crossroads where we have Krishna's energies and one side we have Krishna himself. So always remember that Krishna himself is everything. We, like Ravana wanted Sita, who was energy of Ram, but did not want Ram on his side. But Hanuman wanted Ram, so Hanuman got Ram also, and Hanuman got the blessings of Mother Sita also. So the Narayani Sena, finally Krishna helped Arjuna in the battlefield to become victorious. So I will now so how can we access Krishna in our lives? Simply by chanting of the holy names. Because in the Kali Yuga, Lord Krishna has appeared in the form of his holy names. So simply by chanting of the holy names, we can all access Krishna in our lives. Like Arjuna had Krishna personally, and we all have Krishna in the form of holy names.